We are back at the Atlantis complex. Today we're in the East building. We're checking out a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 bathrooms, 2 cars, and this. How good is that view? What's even better as well? GC 500. See it coming up and down right along there, along that main straight. Perfect. Welcome to the apartment. As you can see, everything is all set up. Plenty of space to maximize the views. Sliding doors, sliding windows, and everything there. It's the kitchen, perfectly situated here in the main living area, so it's all open plan. Lots of bench space with the islands there. Everything you need, plenty of storage. Looking out to the views as you're preparing your food and cooking. Really nice. You've even got a bit of an aspect out there and out there as well. So there's so much natural light coming through here. You can just imagine entertaining and cooking for the family. Yeah, great spot for it. Just take a moment to soak in the garden area and the beautiful entry to the estate. Outdoor pools, 3 tennis courts. Out the back you have a marina, sauna, steam room, indoor lap pool and spa, well-equipped gym. So as you walk up to the East building here as well, you have a massive motor court along here. We've also got the 24/7 security just over there as well. So plenty of parking for visitors. Yeah, great spot for it.